I'm going to show you how to switch a quad cane from the right to the left side. Because a quad cane, we recommend using it opposite the side that's weak or opposite the side that's injured. So let's say, for example, if your injury or your surgery is on the right leg, you want to use your quad cane on the left hand, and vice versa. So for this demonstration, I'm going to be using a standard aluminum quad cane. This is the most common one, so I decided to use this for this demonstration. So first, you're gonna look at, you have 4 legs. So these are the longer legs and these are the shorter legs. The longer legs are meant for the outside, and then the shorter legs are going to be inside. So meaning your foot is going to be here. This quad cane is meant for use on the right side, because when I hold it like this, my foot is gonna be on the inside here, and I'm not gonna trip over the longer legs. If I want to switch it over to the left hand side, it's pretty simple. Just watch this. Most of them will have this knob here. Most of them will have this screw. So first is you want to loosen this up. Now, if you don't have this type of screw, some of them have the one that's you can turn it on the body itself. So you have to loosen that as well. Then what you're going to do is, you see this ball here, you're going to press this metal ball bearing in. And once you press it in with your finger, I use my thumb, it's easier. Then when you press it in, you're going to be able to spin it. So now when you spin it, you're gonna find the other side has a ball bearing as well, and it's gonna pop out. I suggest not adjusting the height or the length of the quad cane, so it's easier for the ball bearing to come out first. And then if you have to adjust the height, you can press it in and then just move it up and down. But for this one, just to switch it, you just turn it, and then the other side, the ball bearing comes out. And then now you have the shorter legs on the inside, the longer legs are on the outside. So now this is for use on the left side, because your foot is gonna be on the inside here, and you're not gonna trip over the longer leg. So if this is helpful, just subscribe. So after you do that, don't forget, you tighten this screw here again. If it's the round one, just tighten it again, because it will support the ball bearing, so it doesn't all of a sudden by accident go shorter or longer. You avoid accidents that way. If you're going to switch from the left hand to the right side, and you do the same thing, just turn it the other way. Now switching it from the left to the right side, you just do the opposite thing, but same mechanism. Now I want you to watch this video to learn how to use a quad cane properly.